Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video here and a new vacuum that I will be showing and reviewing. Now, this is my mom's vacuum, and this vacuum is a Dyson DC65. I believe this is one of the newest Dysons, or newer Dysons. This is a Dyson DC65 animal vacuum. We've had this for a few years. We had a Dirt Devil before, and then we had a Dirt Devil, and then I'll just say this. You know that blue Dirt Devil upstairs that I showed you? Well, that's the old vacuum we had before we got this one. And obviously, we still have it because I showed you. It's the blue one. It's the Dirt Devil Ultravision Turbo. That was our old vacuum before we got this one. So, this will be a vacuuming and review. So, let's begin. Okay, so this is a Dyson DC65 animal. So, since this is an animal, it has 25% more brush bar power, which is pretty cool. And this is a ball. This is not wheels or nothing. It's on a ball. So that's pretty neat. You can see here's your bin. You can see there's dirt in here. That's the max fill line. And this right here is your filter. So, and also to take this canister off, push down this button and the canister just comes off, and you would push it again to empty the dirt, but I don't want to do that on the floor. To access your filter, pull this right here. Pull. And then it just comes off, and here's your filter right here. And ours is not too bad. And you can see just minor dust and hair. Nothing too major. And to put it in, to snap this back in, just push it down, just like that. And you got your, I think your blower wheel right there. That just snaps back into place. And let's see the attachments, or actually no, I'll show you the bottom first. So here's the bottom, and it's sitting on a ball so it'll fall over. You can see here's the brush bar. The bristles, they're hard. I mean, like, they're not soft, but they're not stiff. Like, they're like okay, they're like good. You can hear that nice motor sound. But anyway, that's the brush roller right here. Get it back up now. And now the attachments. And here it has a crevice tool and a dusting brush and a stair tool. It also has a dusting brush, like a big dusting brush, and a turbo brush, but they just don't on store. It's not on board. So I don't know where the sticker is on this. Is it on the bottom? No. Yeah, I don't know where the sticker is on this, guys. I'm sorry, but I don't know where it is. It may not actually. Never mind that, cause it's right there. DC65. So yeah, it may not have a sticker. But anyways, I guess I'll go ahead and give you a quick vacuuming here. So here we go. So yeah, that does it for the review and vacuuming. Hit like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe if you want a cookie. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss out a video whenever it comes out. Also, comment down below what your favorite holiday is, because today's Christmas Eve and tomorrow's Christmas Day. So tell me in the comments what your favorite holiday is. So that ends it right here. And until next time, guys. Peace.